welcome to another vlog. Today I got some Kinder Eggs. I'm not gonna unbox it because we're haven't bought it yet. But hey guys, welcome to another vlog. It's not a vlog because I'm not gonna be vlogging at all. But I'm gonna be unboxing this Kinder Joy egg. So yeah, let's hop right into it because I've been waiting for a long time to do this. So it has been a long time since I've done an unboxing video. Oh my god. Come on. Oh god, guys. It's so hard. I'm gonna try this. Guys, if you can't do it and I can't do it, just get something for your help, like a car or something. Or maybe it might not work because it's it might be super slippery or something, but this okay guys, this is so hard. It's harder than I thought. Okay. Guys, I think I'm stuck out here. So let me just okay. This thing works. What? What? Okay guys, I throw it away. Oh, yeah, I can. Yes, I thought of a really good. Okay, so guys, all you do. Okay. I'm getting one. There we go, we made it. So guys, let me just open this up before I eat it because I want to save. Oh, it's. Ugh. Why did I eat? Why did I open that one? I'm supposed to open this one. Okay. Oh my god, what is this? I wasn't expecting this. Sorry guys. There's this thing that I can eat, but some of you guys might leave it for later. So that's what I'm gonna do. And let me just oh, is that a steering wheel? It is a steering wheel. Is it? Is it a car? Or something? What is this? Okay, so hard to put it on. Okay, I don't know what. Well, I don't know what this is. Okay. Oh yeah, is it supposed to go here? I think so. Okay, it's supposed to go here, right? Is it? Wait, I don't know, guys. I haven't had a toy like this before. But what is this? Like, what? Okay, guys. I'm gonna figure. Oh, is it like this? Oh, it is. Wait. What? Oh, wait. What? Okay. Okay. Over. Is it like this? Oh yeah, you can shoot it. How do you use it? Okay, I think you press this. What do you do with it? You kind. Oh yeah, you. Wait, what? I'm like, oh yeah. Wait, what? Okay. I don't know how to do this. This is really hard right now. Okay, three, two, one. Okay, this is really hard to do. Okay, well guys, that was the end of the video. I'm gonna pretty much enjoy. Oh, there's something else. Oh, the menu. I forgot about that. But guys, I'll see you in another vlog. Woo!